Oh, there's nothing quite like messing about on the river, is there? Well, that's what we thought. We went to the Norfolk Broads, and I was going to take you along, and we kind of did. I took the cameras and indeed the drone, but everything kind of went wrong. Like there was no parking near the boatyard, and the idea was to have a down a boat with a picnic, and because of COVID there was no plates or knives and forks or cups or anything on the boat. So a lot of things went wrong, but I did try to also get some drone footage, and it's hard to believe that I came first in physics for 3 years at school, because the simple physics of getting a drone to take off on a moving boat eluded me. Anyway, here's what happened when I tried to take off with the drone. And it was after that I sort of gave up the idea of filming it. However, one of my daughters did take some footage of the day, and she's made a much nicer, calmer video, and here it is. Thanks for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up on YouTube and hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications of new videos, and I'll see you in the next video.